guys, how you doing? It's Henry at Mowers and Blowers. Welcome to another weekend product review. Today I received a tall tower oscillating fan. Perfect timing because we're just starting the spring here, and today is actually 75 degrees. So a guy like me who works in the garage on a daily basis, I'm sweating a lot. I could sure use a nice fan. This fan is very unique. Why? Because it's not the conventional type of fan, but you actually can take these little ice packs, fill it up with water, put it in your refrigerator, so they're ice packs. You fill the ice packs inside with water, and it's just like at the football games where they have the mist water coming out. This is the same premise. Water mist is being sucked through this fan and emitted with ice cold water into the air. Let's unbox it for you right now. As you saw, we installed the bottom stand. Comes with a remote control. Pull this out to activate the battery. Let's plug it in. As you can see there, it's showing 76 degrees outside. Got the panel over here. The panel mimics exactly the remote control. Cool, fan, oscillating, fan, timer, power. Let's try it out with the remote control. Let's turn it on. Wow, cool. Let's do the speed. Now it's going slower, higher, higher, slower. So that's the highest right there. Swing. Isn't that cool? It's just perfect for the garage when I'm working outside. To have something like this is just fantastic. You can set a timer, and also the freeze button is for wet. So here we are in the back of the fan. And over here is a compartment where you pull out and you add water. Then you add the two ice packs that you've already frozen in your refrigerator, and you place it inside to keep the water cool. When you press the wet button, it will spew out cool mist that's ice water cooled. So how about it, huh? Really sharp looking. It's 40 inches tall, 16 pounds. It uses 60 watt consumption. This part fills just under a gallon of water to cool. And I secured that bottom feeder to the clips, as it tells you here in the directions. Here's the filter. You can take it out and clean it if you want. Like I said, the panel is all here on the top. The display of the temperature, the remote control, and a little storage area. Perfect for the summer. This is the Air Choice 40-inch tall tower air fan, oscillating fan. Looks fantastic, works great. Like I said, you have a timer so that you can set it to how many hours you want for it to cool. It turns off all by itself. All with a handy storage area and a remote control. I'll leave a link in the description. This thing is perfect for the summer. If your house is too hot and you don't want to turn on the AC just yet, get this air mist water cooled oscillating tower fan from Air Choice. We'll see you guys next time on Mowers and Blowers.
Hey y'all, it's Kylie here, and we'll see you next time on Mowers and Blowers.